Well, we got another knife on the table. If you do not have a Swiss Army knife in your pocket every day, you're really missing out. Seriously. This knife is absolutely filthy. It really is. And I apologize for that, but I use this thing every day. But it is an awesome knife. Absolutely awesome. This one here is made by Victorinox Swiss Army Climber 2. This thing is just great. There's really nothing this thing cannot do for you. Seriously. Besides cook for you. It just has everything that you need. I use this thing, like I said, all the time. Closed, this is 3.58 inches. And you drop this in your pocket, you don't even know it's there. Seriously. You have no idea it's even there until you need it. Lifetime warranty. It has a blade. Weighs 3.55 ounces. Hardly anything. Has a blade, 3-inch blade. Can opener, scissors, bottle opener, flat-headed screwdriver, smaller knife blade, leather punch, corkscrew, and down here it also has a toothpick. Well, that's the tweezers and the toothpick. All stainless steel construction. I've had this knife for a lot of years, and I mean probably close to 10 years, 12 years, and like I said, I use this every day. And you can pick one of these up for about 40 bucks. It also has a ring for a lanyard. It is just a great knife to have. It really is. And if you don't have one, pick one up, and you'll really like it. It's just a great knife, and the blades definitely hold a good edge. Definitely. I don't use the smaller blade very much, and it is very sharp. The bigger blade I probably use more than what I should, but it hasn't broke, and if it does, it's lifetime warranted anyways. So if you get a chance, pick one of these up, pick it up, you'll really enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We're gonna have more knife videos, more gun videos. We're gonna try to get some shooting in. The weather hasn't been all that great here, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.